Yabe Magnesium Battery, Part 2. Wow, that's a lot of power.
Yeah, I heard that conventional batteries can fly a drone for 30 minutes at most, but Yabe batteries can fly them for more than 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours? 30 minutes and 2 hours is a big difference.
Yes, it is.
Oh, hi, Professor Yabe.
Hi, kids.
Why can the battery you developed have so much power?
The energy density is higher than that of conventional lithium-ion batteries and other batteries, so the flight time can be dramatically increased. The electricity that a magnesium battery can supply is 8.5 times that of a lithium-ion battery of the same weight. Theoretically, it is possible to increase it 38 times.
Oh, that's how much further you can fly the drone.
That's right.
In the future, we want technology to deliver mail to our balconies using drones, right? If that happens, we'll definitely need this magnesium battery.
The sky's the limit. But even if it can move a remote-controlled model or drone, it doesn't have the power to move a car, does it?
Actually, it can move EV cars. Just like a gas-powered car, a car that moves with magnesium fuel will become reality. This is a caddy car that runs on a golf course.
Wow, it's working perfectly.
Small and powerful, it feels just like Japanese technology. Magnesium batteries are amazing. Why didn't we use this great resource until now? Is magnesium not easily available?
That's a very good question. Next time, let's look at what magnesium really is and see how it's collected.
Can't wait!